Hey guys, this is going to be a short, no frills video, but I'm too excited about this to not share it. So I'm going to unbox my new Sony A7S. I just got it. I ordered it from B&H, so I got the promotion they were currently doing, which gave you two Pro SanDisk SD cards, extra battery, and a battery charger, because this thing doesn't come with an actual battery charger out of the box. You charge it through USB. So that was a nice bonus that B&H threw in. And just to preface this isn't sponsored at all. It's just where I chose to get it because they had the best deal with this promotion going on. Promotion? You know what I mean. Alright, let's get to it. So I got this camera. This is going to be my main camera going forward. I'm shooting on the A7III now, and that's what I've been doing for my main video camera. And my main still photo camera has been a Canon 6D, but I'm gonna replace that with this, I believe. All right, so we got a bunch of manuals, standard stuff. Get right in here. Camera strap. I never use these factory camera straps. I just always think they're advertisey and ugly, so I won't be using that more than likely. A lot of empty space in this box. There we go. Alright. So we got the power brick to charge it through USB. Probably won't use that much either, since I got this charger with it. So this is the battery. If any of you guys are using the older A series cameras like the A6300 or the A7 II, A7S, A7, all those, they have the smaller battery. These are supposed to last a lot longer. That's another big reason I wanted to upgrade to this camera, is the battery life is a pain point on the other Alpha series cameras, so hopefully this will change that. USB cable, and last but certainly not least, camera body. This feels solid, even without the battery in it. It's got a nice bit of weight to it, not too much. Right. So let's take a look. Put the battery in. There we go. Another nice thing about this camera, which was a real selling point for me, one, it's a weather sealed body. As long as I get some weather sealed glass to put on it, that will allow me to keep moisture and whatnot out. But dual camera card slot, so I can put two SD cards in this, and then I can either shoot to overflow, so it fills the first card up, it'll overflow to the second card, or what I think I'm more inclined to do is a mirror image of each card, so I have a backup rated camera of video and photos that I shoot. So that is a big deal for me. That's going to make a huge difference, I think, from a sanity standpoint. Power it on. Put it in English. New York time. Daylight savings time is currently happening. It is January. Alright. That's all she wrote. The battery's pretty close to being dead, so I should probably take care of that. But like I said, just a quick little unboxing. I like doing these. Some people like to see this happen. I just figured I'm gonna unbox it anyway, so why not show you guys? So that's it. If you like what you see, subscribe, give this video a like, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.